Garbage disposal jammed because of fibrous stuff like celery strings or corn husks? Yeah, that happens way more than you think, and it's a total pain to fix. So here's the deal. First, always run cold water when using your garbage disposal. That helps keep everything moving and prevents jams. When you're tossing in scraps, avoid fibrous veggies like celery or corn husks because those stringy bits can wrap around the blades and cause trouble. If you do get stuck, don't just keep forcing it. Turn off the disposal and try to fish out the fibers with tongs or pliers instead of your hands. Another trick is to grind small chunks of citrus peels, like lemon or orange. This helps clean the blades and freshen things up. Also, don't overload the disposal all at once. Feed scraps slowly to avoid clogging. If your disposal starts making weird noises or slows down, cut the power and check for any stuck debris right away before it gets worse. And remember, never put greasy or starchy stuff down there because it just gums everything up. One of the biggest issues with garbage disposals jammed by fibrous vegetables is ignoring the warning signs like slow draining or strange noises. Fix this by stopping use immediately and clearing out the fibers carefully. Another problem is putting too much fibrous material at once, which clogs the blades fast. Instead, break scraps down and add them little by little with running water. Lastly, lots of folks forget to run cold water during and after use, which helps solidify any grease so it doesn't stick inside. Always keep that water running to avoid buildup. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for anyone needing help with home repairs like garbage disposals because it connects you with trusted local contractors who know their stuff. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it's a great way to get more work and grow your business without all the hassle.